Hello, this is Lisa, my dear, and we are going to learn how to do a chain stitch. It is the first stitch that you need to learn for when you're starting any project, any crocheting project, I mean. So when you're starting a crocheting project, the first stitch that you need to know to start that blanket, to start that sweater, to start that bootie, to start that hat, to start that scarf, you need to know the chain stitch. Okay, now the first thing we're going to need to learn how to do, and that is how to do a slip stitch. So the first thing you need to do is you go around your finger and then you just see that hole, you pull it through the hole and you just pull it. You take your needle, this is a crochet, this is what's called a crochet hook, and this is a J. Crochet hooks comes in letters or either numbers. This is a J or it will be a number 10, okay? And they start from the letter A and they go all the way up. I'm not for sure how far they go up, but I know it goes at least up to a K, okay? So the first thing you want to do, you want to take your hook, stick it through the hole, okay? And you want to pull it to tighten it around there, okay? You see that? Then you want to find a comfortable way for your yarn to pull through. I wrap mine around my finger, okay? I've been doing this a while, so you go around, you pull it through the hole. That's one. Okay, you do it again, you go around, you come through, that's two. You go around, look, you pull it through the hole. It goes through the hole. Three. Let me see if I can do this one better. Make sure you can see this. See that? You go around. You see this? This part right here is going through this part right here. So you come down, you see that? And you go through the loop. Okay, you do it again, you go around. And you come down and you go back through that loop. Now, once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to move a lot faster. But some people also hold their thread like this. You know, people that's able, and I can just do it, you know. But when you're learning to crochet in any project that you're starting, you have to know the chain stitch. You cannot start no project without knowing the chain stitch. It starts with that slip stitch and then you go into the chain stitch, okay? And that's what you need to do to learn until you get comfortable with it. Like I say, I done got comfortable doing it both ways, and I would advise anyone, if crocheting is it's a good way to sit and relax, you know, for me. And if you short on patience, honey, let me tell you, you learn to crochet, it'll give you patience, okay? So you can sit there and do you a couple of chain stitches until you get comfortable. And then when you get comfortable, I'll come back and I'll work on the single stitch, because that will be the next stitch that you will need to learn, okay? All right, have a good day. This is Lisa, my dear. Like, comment, and subscribe.